Hey guys, welcome back to another ZPolt unboxing, and today we're checking out one of the best minimalist wallets, RFID wallets that you can get in the market. So this is around $90, $80 depending on where you get it. This is the SECRID wallet, and this a minimalist wallet, very small, about half the size of your usual wallet. And again, this is the best one that you can get. Why do you use RFID? Because people can scan your credit cards. It may be a tool, and it's in your pocket and stuff like that, so you want to have more security in your wallets, and SECRID wallet might want to do that, and of course RFID wallets in general, and this might be the best one to do that. Of course, unboxing it, this second-hand, so it's a bit scuffed already. It says MINIMALIST, original cognac in terms of the color, Holland in terms of the manufacturing area. So really cool in terms of the overall branding. Opening it up, of course, this already opened up, and look at that, guys. That's the overall wallet. Actually, it's pretty small. It's almost, just the size of, your card. As you guys will see in a bit. There you go. It's just the size of your card. So this is really very small. And actually, yes, this has been with the owner before for around 3 years. So this the condition that you're gonna get if you're gonna use it for 3 years. So it will be also a cool way to show you guys how this ages, but we're gonna show you guys that a bit later. Of course, SECRID here at the branding, and actually not a lot in the box also. And you do get, of course, card protector, some other stuff made in Holland, renamed Marian, and it says handheld manual. And yes, as you guys can see, it protects your investment. Credit card is really important. I have been a victim of credit card fraud before, so I'm more aware now of the overall credit card issue. So it's made of mostly leather. This is very nice leather. It has some patina already because this has been with the owner for quite some time. Actually, this is my daily driver right now. So look at the leather now, SECRID branding, and it's made of actually pretty soft leather altogether. Has a button, and you can also buy a SECRID wallet without a button, and that may be also cool for you, but I do prefer the one with the button. And zooming in, of course, look at that, the edges. This is how it's gonna age also. So it doesn't have some bushings at the side, so it's a kind of an exposed kind of leather. Whether you like that or not, that'd be up to you. Some other wallets have some bushings or some paint at this side to make it more look more clean in a way, but this is more exposed leather. Some people prefer that, so it'd be up to you if you prefer that or not. Of course, you have pretty small in terms of the overall stitching at the side. Yes, pretty small also. So the key feature here is this one, guys. So this how you will get out your card, which is what we're gonna test later once we fill out this thing. So of course, inside you do get this RFID protector. So this is made of metal, guys, and as you can see, if you drop it, you will scuff it after some time. So this is built of metal, and really tough metal at that. Look at that, guys. So this really hard metal. I have sat on this with no issues, so you can definitely sit. But of course, it depends on your weight, but I have sat with this for several times already, no issues. And yeah, of course, yes, you get this kind of this will fit around 5 credit cards. Here this side is where your money is gonna go. I have no issues putting it here. So of course, you need to learn how to organize your stuff, but I'm putting it here. I'm gonna test it later, of course. The money, and I do put some cards here. If some people give me a calling card, put it here, or maybe some receipts, I put it here at this side. Of course, I put some other cards here, which is really useful. So in terms of the overall functionality, I would say this is perfect fit. I didn't find that it's kind of lacking for daily usage. Of course, maybe when I'm traveling, I will use a bigger wallet, but for daily usage, not a big issue. Let's try to fill it up. So of course, here at the top, it's around 4 cards that we're gonna fill in. So it fits around 4 cards. And it fits really flush. Actually, you can fit even one more card there, but I wouldn't fill it up that much. And if you do the overall movement, look at that, it's a bit staggered when it comes out. So you can choose a card depending on what you like, because it's staggered, it's cascaded, so you can choose a card depending on what you like. So look at that, and then you can put it back. There you go. So that is the card holder. Pretty cool, actually. So this is the best motion this one, the best motion that I have ever felt in a minimalist wallet. So if you value, you know, the most or the best motion, the SECRID wallet is the best for you in this one. So of course, in the other side, let's fill it up, and we have some cash here. So actually not a lot of cash, but I find that mostly this will fit around 10 bills max. Actually, been using it with 10 bills. I find it to be a bit full already. I cannot fit a lot of stuff in the button, so I can close the button anymore. So this is what you do with this one. So like that, and you close it, and it closes pretty okay. Look at that. So pretty cool in terms of the overall motion again. So of course, you can also fit some cards here inside. So what I do usually is I have my license here this side, and this is sometimes maybe my Starbucks card. I put it there as well, or sometimes my most used cards, I put it here. And this is what it's gonna look like, of course. And of course, if you have maybe some cards, people gives you some cards, and you can also put them inside. So maybe like this one. So cards go here on this side. There you go. And closing it in, pretty snug. Look at that. So there's a lot of cards inside. There's a lot of fairly amount of cash as well, but it fits really nicely. And of course, the shortcut here is you don't need to open your wallet if you want to get your cards. If you're somebody who's always using cards, you're always, you know, credit cards or debit cards, you're into a cashless kind of life, this is a perfect fit for you. You don't need to put out your wallet. So the cash inside will be just a backup for you if you need cash, but mostly you will use the card at the top. So that is our SECRID wallet mini wallet unboxing. Really nice. I would say this is my daily driver right now, and very happy with the purchase. I would say it's kind of worth the money. It's a bit in the expensive side of the minimalist wallet movement, but the motion here, the quality that they put in, and you know, this is 3 years, still looking good. I would say very usable, and all the functions are still pretty good. Maybe I just need to have this cleaned. SECRID wallet mini wallet, really like it. Of course, if you want to get one, use my links down in the comments below, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. And if you have additional questions, let me know in the comments below. This is our bite-sized unboxing, ZPolt unboxing here. If you are into that, subscribe here in the channel, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.